Chrysler minivans will not die, will they? Those have been around since 1982. Lee Iacocca.
There we go.
Looks like old Steve Salas is
picking on the truck.
Yeah, trying to pick on somebody writing a traffic citation there or something.
Here comes Spider-Man.
Here he comes.
Spider-Man.
Got a little love tap there to the number 1. That's Brandon Olson.
Oh.
Okay. Oh, that'll teach you to bring your truck into an all-van escapade.
Oh, we got a tailgate down.
That gives them better fuel economy if they go with the tailgate down, Ed.
There you go.
Whoa.
Excuse me.
Well, we'll just leave that tire over there by the tire barrier, I guess. I'd say that's probably been the end of number 5. He just took a big old hit, there. I guess that's the Jeremy Oliver van. Took a hit and then it kept on ticking. That's like a Timex watch or anything.
These vans are standing up pretty good. They're holding up real well.
That might have been a spare tire come out of that one.
Hey, shut her down.
Red flag.
Shut him down.
Okay, we got the pickup truck on its side.
We're checking the driver.
We got the emergency crew of folks out there.
I'll give one.
We're going to see just how bad they are.
Okay, everybody, all together. 1.
From the glutes,
Two.
guys. Down from the glutes.
No, you're not going to turn it over.
We're going to have an environmental hazard if you don't get that thing flipped over, boys. Get that man out of there.
1, 2, 3.
Now get that man back in there. Let's
That's
get
what I
on
was
with this.
trying to do a little earlier.
See, in that truck, that was number 15 of Avery. Is that right?
Yeah.
No.
We can't quite see the numbers.
Maybe try looking at great fag on.
Looks like he's throwing in the towel for the rest of this heat.
Yep, he
Pulled the
flipped that
stick off
truck.
the windshield. They come back to fight another round a little later. Looking in the back for empty beer cans or something.
Maybe it's his keys, man.
Never know. There he goes. Okay, we're just about ready to get back underway once we get everybody to safety.
Yeah.
Watch for that green flag to fly in the air, everybody.
Skippy.
That'll be the signal for the heat to restart.
Yeah, okay, Frank.
Go.
Oh!
There you go.
Nailed
There's
it.
no time.
Woo!
Looks like Steve Salas has a bad front wheel there, Ed.
Number 1 has
Spider-Man lost his webbing on that one.
Yep. The dog, you got number 1 dragging us behind.
Yeah, it's down the leg. These minivans are fun to watch.
Oh,
That's the crash.
keep it
crash.
moving, keep it moving.
That's hard to say without sounding
That's
bad.
not going to help number 1 at all.
Oh man, I'd say that looks
Oh,
like
it's okay.
that may have blown the Spidey sense right on out of Salas's van.
Oh, no!
Oh!
Just me, I thought it was safe to go.
I was gonna say he's a bipod now. This heat's been hard on the tires and wheels. Thankfully, everybody has Tire King painted on their outfits. I'd like to say thanks to Paul over at Tire King. He's going to sponsor all the events in the community as well.
Yeah,
Remember to bring your announcements on up to the Sutherland's announcing booth. We'll get those announcements made for you. We're raising money for the search and rescue up here as well. Hope you're enjoying the show tonight. Got the 15, the crash cab still moving along. That's the 32J. Looks like it's missing most of its rear end. I think it started out that
Number
way.
1 still dragging his tail. Both are dragging.
I'll tell
They're
you
still
what.
going.
That one, good old, that's good old number 1 right there. That's Brandon Olson dragging through the arena. Still has her moving. Okay, we need to remind everybody to stay back away from the rails. Flying parts and stuff can't hurt people. We want to remind everybody to stay back away from the edges, please. 39J coming across. He says,
Oh,
say
good
hello to
hit.
my little minivan right there. Number 5 coming through the middle of the arena. He's going to add a little more insult to that injury.
Here we go.
We're giving him a minute to see if he can get her going. There's a lot of dust, a lot of smoke in the arena. Got a few of them on the clock. We're getting close to the end of the heat.
Extra hit.
And they're in the Jersey barriers. All right, that number 5, man, that thing won't die. That's a 1982 Plymouth, I think.
Still going, folks. All right, number 1's back at it again.
Okay. All right. Looks like he's calling that one done.
We're done. We're done.
Number 1, oh, looks like Mr. Olson has that number 1 van moving.
Need all the
Okay.
kids off the fence, or they're going to shut the derby down. The kids need to be away from the fence.
All right. A man with a walkie-talkie and the guns asks all the kids, stay away from the fence, please. Okay. We're waiting for an official notice. Looks like this might be the end of it. We've got a lot of numbers posted over there. It looks like the 15, the 5, the 45, the 84. Got him on the clock. I think that only leaves 2. Looking for a red flag.
Any flag.
Looking for some nachos
Hey,
for the
there they go.
announcers.
Oh, one little bump.
Oh, he called him out. Number 5, you're
Number
done,
5,
baby.
you're
Shut her down.
disqualified.
Number 5, Jeremy Alger. Jeremy, you got to shut her down. Looks like you didn't get her going in time. All right, I think that looks like the end of that heat.